Okay, just turned on the volume. Now I can hear myself echo a little bit. Let me
Are
turn
you
that back.
there?
Can you hear me? Are you there? Can you hear me?
Yeah, I can hear you. No echo too. Good.
Okay.
No, that's there.
I think I can hear
That's all right.
myself too.
It's a very.
What's the
Oh,
deal
you can
here?
hear yourself echo.
Yeah.
Hmm.
Maybe it's because, well, it's not really an echo. It's like my voice just going straight through. Let me see. Maybe I need to change my microphone on the computer. Microphone.
Wow, look at that dip overnight. Right around midnight. Tanked.
Microphone.
Wow, it went. It dipped 100 points last night around midnight.
Yeah.
Wow. Looks like it's just
Okay.
been trading pretty much.
Hear me okay?
Let's see. Test.
I can't hear myself now.
Yes,
Oh, now I can.
I can
It's
hear
weird.
myself. Yeah, I can hear. Yeah, I can hear myself just a tiny bit. Hey, that's weird.
Love, can you turn on the live stream on the TV and see how it sounds on that? I can hear
That's
myself,
weird. I
but it's
wasn't
almost
on.
like not an echo. It's like, if a singer has headphones on so they can hear themselves, that's probably the same way I'm hearing it. It doesn't
Yeah.
sound like an echo. It sounds like I'm hearing the exact same thing you're hearing, probably.
Yeah, it's not like an echo. It's more like a playback where it's like a slight
Yeah,
delay.
right.
Yep.
Okay.
Uh, really?
It's probably going to be back. Um, hmm.
I was gonna say because I could still hear my echo. But it's almost like a whisper though.
Testing. I'm listening on the YouTube.
All right.
Testing. I'm listening on the YouTube. That
Slight
sounds good
echo.
on YouTube, so I'm just gonna leave it. Since oh well, that sounds good on YouTube, so I'll just do with it. You can
It
turn it
is
back
what it
down.
is. Like I said, it's barely audible on my end,
Okay.
and now it's a lot louder. I
It
don't
sounds
know.
good on YouTube, so we'll just leave it that way it is.
Yeah.
So I took some trades this morning. I saw that big dip,
Oh yeah.
and I was laying in bed
What
and
time?
thought,
You talking
wow,
about the
this could
five? You
bounce back up.
talking
So,
about the midnight or 5 o'clock?
um,
Because the 5 o'clock's really the only time it's dipped any.
yeah. So it was New York time. It was midnight. So I got in.
Oh.
I got in, made a little bit, and then it flipped the next half hour and immediately dropped, and I locked out negative of $500.
Ooh,
Yeah,
really?
and then I waited for it. It looked like it was going to bounce right back, and it did. So I got in long again and rode it back up, and currently up 333.
Oh wow.
So
So that's like an $800 trade.
well, it wasn't one trade; it was several, riding it back up.
Right, right. But I mean,
So
but you get what I'm saying. It's
yeah,
you actually made $800 because you
yeah,
went from -5 to +3.
yeah,
That's
exactly.
that's that's impressive.
Yeah, it took a while. It took me over an hour to make that back,
Yeah.
but I was trying not to do very big size either. So
Yeah, unfortunately, it just looks like we're trading sideways with a slight upward tick.
yeah, it's amazing
Except
if
for
you
right
look at the
now,
half
it's
hours because it's like it'll push up for half an hour, and then as soon as that half hour flips, like if you look at 7:30, like from 7 to 7:30, up, 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 up. and then right at 7:30 it flips, and now it's been pushing down and down and
Yeah.
down. So we're coming right into 8 o'clock. We'll see what happens, if it's gonna push back up again or if it's gonna head for new lows for the day. Looking at the overall, yeah, we've pushed back up. Let's see, the low of today, 875. So we've pushed back up 90 points almost. So that's a big rebound. But we've been moving down since the close on Friday. So I don't know if we'll, but overall, I mean, if you look back since the big dropout at the beginning of February, at the end of January, it dropped all the way down to 4,400. We're,
Yeah.
we, we popped back up to 5,100, down to 4,700, up to 5,100 again, and now it's dropping lower again. So we're right now we're kind of ranging between 4,900 and 5,100. So try not to predict anything. Just look at each half hour because it can flip. It can completely reverse every half hour. So I just want to wait till the new or 8 o'clock just started. So wait and see how this hour half hour starts to shape up, and I'll probably decide if it looks like it's moving one direction. If it's moving up, I'd say I'm only going to take longs. If it's moving down, I'll probably say I'm only going to take shorts. But I need a few minutes to see how it shapes up.
Yeah, being pretty indecisive right now. No volume. I mean, look at the volume, dude. It's almost non-existent.
Yeah. I picked up a little at 7, but not much. There was quite a bit of volume this morning with that push
Yeah.
down. Usually does it, but there at midnight, obviously that big drop down brought in a lot of volume, and it hasn't really dropped. It hasn't really popped up much since then, volume wise.
See, that volume at midnight was insane.
The what?
The volume at midnight,
Yeah,
like, how is there that many people trading it? I guess that's like actually Asia Open
yeah, that's
time,
Asia.
right, or
Yeah,
something. Probably.
so a lot of it too
That
would
makes sense.
be stops automatically getting taken. When you have big drops like that, it's stops getting taken out, and so it just pushes more and more and more.
Well, looks like we're continuing down.
Pushing down right now, yeah. I would expect 49.50 to be like a teeter totter. Um, it's going to try and decide whether it wants to stay above it or stay below it.
Yeah, we just took out the 705 candle.
What?
705 5 minute candle.
75?
705 7 a.m.
Oh,
5 minutes.
oh. Yeah. So that could be support right there where the 7 o'clock candle started, which is 48. So since I'm up 333, I'm going to be real selective today. I don't need to take any more trades. So it's like if I see something that looks really good, then I might get in.
Well, might be a good time to just call it a day, though.
I want to watch it
Is that is
anyways.
that is that is that 333 over five or just one?
Two, my two funded accounts that I can take
Ooh,
payouts
that's
on. So
even better.
I need to at least take one more trade because added up, that's 666. So one way or the other, I don't want to leave it at that.
Yeah.
But my other three evals, those are passed. Today was the fifth day of trading, so I hit buy and sell and got my 5 days of trading in. So tomorrow, those will be funded and ready to start building up the buffer.
Nice. I just need to catch one monster trade, man. I could if I could catch a lockout where I hit the 50% consistency, I'll pass my eval.
What do you got right now?
25,962.
25,962.
Yeah,
Wow. So you're only
yeah.
540 away. Nice.
You got to remember, dude. I had that $600 trade that day.
That was
Of course, it
awesome.
was making up a
Well, I didn't.
substantial loss at the same
I didn't
time, but it
know.
was
I didn't know if you were started out down before that, but that's great.
mm-mm.
That's great. What's your drawdown at right
That day.
now? Max drawdown.
How can I tell? Okay, I see it right here, but I can't see the number.
If you click
So
on,
like when I go to the open equity and I drop that down, I can
yeah.
see it, but all I can see, oh, it says 1,500. So I guess I have the full.
Okay, perfect.
Yeah. I mean, because if it's intraday or intra-trade, yeah, I'm on an upswing right now, so I should have the whole 1,500 because I left my last trade in profit. So
Yep. That's a good way to do it. Well,
and overall profits,
I
not
guess it's
just
not it.
profitable trade, but overall
You're not
profit.
trading the intraday trailing drawdown. You're trading the end of day right now. So as
Oh,
long as you
really?
end the day higher than before, then you're at 1,500.
Oh, okay.
It's only the funded account that's intraday. It gets a little harder.
Intraday or intra-trade?
Same thing. So it's
Well, no, intraday is.
no matter what the high is, whether you get in or out, or whether you're in the trade or not. Well, of course you're in the trade, but if you're in a trade and you're up $100 and it comes back down to break even, you're now down 100 on drawdown.
Right. That's
That's
in a
that's
funded
called
account or
intraday.
eval?
What?
I thought that was intra-trade where it's
No, intratrade's
no,
not.
actually.
It is technically, but they don't use that term. Intratrade isn't a term. It's intraday.
Oh,
There's intraday and end of day. Those are the two terms.
because I just remember it's like you said you could literally be in a trade, go up 1,500 and then down 1,500 and be break even for the day, but you breach your account.
Yeah.
That's stupid. That is the stupidest. I
It's
bet you
tough,
that
but
right there probably blow. I bet you that probably blows almost just as many accounts as anything else.
it probably does. The thing is, you have to trade the way we're trading, so it's really not a big issue. You want to trade for small scalps because if you're trying to
Yeah.
get like 30 points trading gold, if you got two micros, you get 30 points up, now you're up $600, and then it comes back down, now you're down $600. So it's like the way we trade, we're trading for like 3 to 5 points. You get your money, get out. All right, you made $100, and then do it again, and do it
Yeah.
again. So it really hasn't hurt too bad as long as you're careful of taking profit when you're green.
Oh, so I cut my hair.
Oh, you did.
Yeah, I let her talk me into cutting it.
And shorts are
It's
looking
still
pretty
it's
good
still
here.
pretty. Yeah.
Shorts are looking really good here. I want to wait for it to pop back up again, but this is like the first big drop from a nice trend line since midnight.
Oh no, it looks a
Because
lot like
it,
the
it opened and dropped down to
five.
44, came back up and
Yeah.
tested at 48, the open, and then big drop, 6 points down. But I don't know. I'm not in, just FYI.
Yeah. That's a good pullback right
Who
there.
knows? It could just be pulling back for another leg up too. It just
Yeah.
overall we've been moving up for 8 hours, so 7 hours. So the big dips, if you look back at 445, big dip, push back up higher, and then another dip right back down to the same point, and then push back up higher. So this could just be a big dip, taking out some liquidity before pushing higher again. If it comes back up and flips this half hour, it'd have to go above 49.48 and looking bullish, then I would say it's good for longs for a while. So this is a new hour. Okay, so we got a new hour and half hour candles here, both red.
Yep. It's crazy, you look at the last 8 hours and it's like, oh, we're progressively trending up, but then if you look at like the last 3 days, we're progressively trending down.
Yeah,
uh,
it's amazing how it can flip. Just any change
that's
of any
that's why
half
those
hour.
higher time frames, yeah, that's why those higher time frames really pay dividends.
Yeah,
You know,
yeah. You want to be on the
like
same
yeah, it
side
might
as
look
the higher
really,
time frame.
yeah, exactly. I was gonna say it might look really good on the 5 minute chart, like oh, like you said, clearly this is a short opportunity, and actually, it kind of matches up with the 1 hour chart.
Yeah. Like, oh,
Looking back.
this could just be a 20-point pullback. 'Cause, I mean, in 20 minutes, it could be back up 960. So,
I mean, it could be there in 20 seconds. So
yeah,
Trump or Putin or somebody could make an announcement and bam!
yep.
You never know. It's 8 a.m., so everybody's waking up on the East Coast.
Another strong push down. See these? Oh, it popped up. See, while these higher time frame candles are red, it's like it churns a little, big drop down. Pops up a little, churns, big drop down. It'd be nice to catch the reversal, but you just don't know when that's going to be.
Yep. That's the thing. It's lovely though. Just like look at like imagine you took a short at 7:30 open and you've just been riding it for what is that? 20 points. Whew.
Yeah, but what would you have to go on to short it at 7:30?
Oh, I don't know.
I
Just
mean, that's a strong
the
push
gut,
up.
luck.
7 to
Oh
7:30,
yeah,
even
yeah.
6 a.m. to 7:30 is really strong push up. 30
Well,
points.
there's always gamblers out there though.
Yeah,
Those
there's
zero D, what do they call them? Zero DTE traders or whatever that
yeah,
buy like
yep,
day expiring margin calls or whatever.
options. Yeah.
Yeah.
All right, that
And
drop
it
got
keeps
bought up
pushing
pretty
down, but
quick.
it keeps pulling up. Yeah, that's how just thinking the same thing. Like I said, every push down gets bought up, but then it's still slowly,
Yeah, that
progressively
keeps going.
pushing down.
So it just broke below a low from right before 7 o'clock. So it just took some liquidity. That's why it had probably dropped down like that. For taking out previous lows, that's a good sign that it's taken liquidity and might move back up. So we just took out the 6:30 low. That's what that did. Now the 6 o'clock low, the open is the low. It did not have a bottom wick. So that 6 o'clock hour doesn't have a bottom wick, which is rare. We might revisit it just to try and get that bottom wick. Who knows? If we have another drop here, but it doesn't, if it's not very strong drop, might be a good long.
Hmm.
Like this here is very low volume drop right here. But
Well, I don't know. The volume's looking pretty up right now. Nice and steady.
if you look at the like the 15-second volume,
Oh, well, yeah. I don't have the ability to flip
I'm gonna
flop
go
and
long here, right? Just one. Uh-oh. Let's do two.
you're going long, or you were gonna go. Oh,
Yeah,
look at that.
told you. No, I missed it. I had my
That's
order something. Oh, just wait. It might pull right all the way back down again. Could give us another opportunity. So we just started a new 15-minute candle that has no bottom wick. Order to buy at 39.5. Okay, just got taken. We'll
so
see.
go
It might just
long.
continue dropping, but maybe it'll go up. I'm only doing one contract. Jeez.
Yeah, it might just it might the market might just be saying, "Nah, we're going down."
Yeah.
I don't know. It's coming back up. Have hope. So you know, I'm about to order me some food. It's literally 17,000 rupiah, which is basically a dollar. Imagine getting Uber Eats for a dollar.
What are you ordering?
Burger King.
For a dollar? Or is it delivery not a dollar?
The delivery is a dollar.
Okay.
Yeah,
I
it's
might.
the delivery
This
17,000
might be a
rupiah,
good
and it's
long
like
if you're
16.
wanting to get in,
Yeah,
but we're going against all the higher time frames. So, but we've
yeah. I don't know
pushed
how I feel
down
about that.
almost 20 points.
Where did you go long at?
I'm at 39.5. I might get another one here. I think I might get another one here.
Well,
All right, if that doesn't push it down much lower, it's probably going to pop back up. Get one more.
yeah, I thought about getting in when it hit 36. All right, you know what? I'm gonna go long. I'm at long. 36.6. I'm gonna keep it real tight though. I see like 40, 50. I'm out.
What?
I was gonna say 40 or 50 either way. I'm out.
$40, $50?
Yeah, either way, positive, negative. So I'm gonna keep this one tight because, like you said, we're going against the higher time frames. You
Yeah.
know,
Yep.
I'm not gonna let this one ride out to negative $200. You know.
Yep. Don't blame me.
And so yeah, we're going straight down. How about that shit? Yep. There was 50. Trying to hold on though. I don't know if it's a good time to go in, get in another. Crap.
Yesterday, I had a trade very similar to this. It's like the second push down, I got out like right here, and then it popped up the rest of the day.
Well, and instantly, like I'm down to negative 100. Like boom.
Hmm.
I held though. I held, and it was
It popped right back
it was
up.
so fast. Yeah, it was such a fast push down. I'm like, no, it's got to bounce back up. This might be where we've been pulling back for what, half an hour, almost an hour.
Since 7:30, yeah,
Come on,
almost an hour.
let's see. Come on, let this be the retracement. You know what? I feel so good about it. I'm gonna go in another one.
This looks good at the moment. I like that.
All right, there goes my second one. I just filled my second order. Probably should have got out there.
I probably should have too. You never know.
I'm just gonna. All right, I took a few dollars of green just because that was a massive pushback down. I should have closed when my
Yeah.
second order filled, but that was $46 in P&L. There we go. We'll take it.
Nice.
Oh, look at that! Well, there you go. That was my curse. As soon as I sold, it retraced.
Mm.
That's all right. I broke. I think I broke even. I might have made like $1 or $2.
I'm still into it. 38.3.
Oh yeah, come on, push. Let me see that.
It
Let me
might
have
push
that
back
regret
down
of not
again.
holding
If
for
it
another
pushes it
day.
back down again, you could go long again. It doesn't mean you
Yeah,
can't get back in.
that is true.
But it acts like it
Yeah, I think
wants
we're
to
about to
break
see.
40.
Yeah, I think we're about to see. I mean, it's hard to
I'm
not
gonna put
want
a
to see
sell
green
at
here after
41.
so long. Yeah, don't be afraid to just take a few dollars of profit. You're already above your target goal for the day.
Okay, I'm out one.
That's good. Oh, there
I might
goes.
I might just hold this, see how long I can hold it. I
Well,
do have my
you're doing a
max
good.
daily set to $500. That's a nice pop up. I was at I was at 400 on the day for a second there. But right now it's acting just like it did earlier. Hold on, let me look at the 1 minute chart.
All right, I went long again at 40.02, 40.2.
So it dropped a
I feel
lot
like that.
from 5 a.m. until almost 6
Come on, just give me a
and
little bit. Give me the
started
top of
pushing
the
back
candle.
up and
I'll
up
take
and
it.
up and up. I think I'll put a sell order at 45. If we get to 45,
Oh,
I'm
that'd
going to
be
go
good
ahead and
for
get out.
me. I'll take a 45. Go, go, no, the other way.
Are you back in?
Yeah, I went long at 40.2 after that, 3 point pullback.
Yep. I mean, we're still. I might get out here. All right, I get my sell back down to 40 if we hit that again. Because we're still everything's still red. We could still have a big drop, and that'd be goodbye. All right, I'm gonna get out. I'm out.
Maybe it'll be my turn for it to push after you got out.
Yeah, you got just one.
I'm in for two. So two micros.
See what kind of push.
Come
If we
on.
get another push down, I'm gonna buy again.
Don't do this to me. Don't take my P and L.
I wouldn't. I wouldn't necessarily get out. It's this is a little pullback on the way up. I think.
Well, then I guess I'll get it some more. It worked out last
I
time.
got a buy sitting at 35.
Well, I just took more, so I'm in for four now. That means I get the real quick 5 point drop. It's like no. Come on, come
Okay,
on.
I'm in.
See some,
Man, I get in by
let's
like one tick. It didn't go one tick below where I said it. 35.2. Wow. Wow, nice. And then a nice push back up. You didn't get out, did you?
no, I'm still in. I wanted to. I mean, I kind of want to, but it's like, why am I taking a $64 lick when it's? I think we're hitting a little green period right now. Oh
Yeah,
boy,
don't come
that
back.
was just a yeah, that was a hit the blue line of support.
Right.
I mean, literally, it just crossed my take profit or break even. Oh Lord, it's really hard not to get out right now. I'm seeing negative 150.
It's tough.
I mean, it's bouncing around so much, man. You know what? Screw it. I just got two. I just got two more. I feel like it's gonna. I feel
Put your
like it's
cells at
coming back,
40.
man.
Put your cells at 40 or just below 40. I'm out.
Okay, they're all at 40.
Boom. How much you make?
Well, it hasn't hit it yet, but I'm
Oh,
just gonna
there you
get.
go.
I'm gonna get out. Seven. So I don't know.
Oh, that was so good.
Look at that. Look at it, and there it goes.
What are
There it
you up on
goes. But
today?
that's all right.
I know, right?
119.
Good. Good deal.
I'm gonna have to go back and look at that and see what happened there.
That's good. That was
Uh,
awesome. See, it only popped up to 41. So,
so one of them was a $12 loss, but the other ones were profits. So that's
yeah.
good.
Well, your blue line, where was it? Whoops. Hold on.
I don't know. It
No, it's
just
all
came
coming all the way
down.
back down. Good thing we got out. Your blue line, where was it when would you have six in?
I, I had six in, and I dragged all of my take profits to 40, which I don't know if it actually hit that or not. Yeah, it did. Man, that'd have been perfect. That's okay though. Hey, I'm in green.
That's great. You're not too.
I mean, I
Show me
made my
about
my P and L for the day is
less than
120.
five
I'm
hundred dollars
I'm
to
already
go.
halfway to where I want. Yeah, I'm already halfway to where I want to be for the day. And it's only 8:30.
I might
I'm gonna
go
have to leave here in a
long.
minute to go get my
I'm
food
going
though.
long one here if I can get it. Okay, I'm in at 37.7. Usually we'll see chop like this for a little bit just before it starts pushing back up again.
Yeah, I
Seems to
definitely
really
think we're
start
about
to.
to see a reversal of this last hour. It's gonna.
Yeah,
I mean, it's
hopefully.
just. I mean, especially if you're looking at the trend of the last 8 hours, I think that's what this is about to be. I think it's about to start trending back up. I mean, of course, that goes against the hourly, the long-term hourly, but
Yeah.
you know,
We've got two half
it's
hours in a row that are red. That's the first we've had that since midnight. So, yeah, new hour coming
yeah.
up. I mean, sorry, new half hour coming up in a minute and a half.
Yeah, I mean, if you like I said, if you look at the 30 or even the 1 hour chart, it's progressively down. But of course, looking at the 5 minute chart, it's progressive. This is it. That's what I love about trading is that even though you do look at the higher time frame and you see that again the trend line is down, there's still going to be sections within that area of where it's going to recover. It's not just a steady down. There's look at like I said, look at the starting at 515 to 625, was a good little dip, and then a little
Yep.
recovery, and then it continued to push back up, and now we're in a dip, and you know what do they like to say? It's they're giving us lower lows.
Yep.
It's
And
like
right
even
now,
though
the
we're having
past
highs, we're still having lower lows, except we really didn't hit the lower lows.
so this past 10 minutes now, exactly at 8:20, it dropped real big down to 9:30, and then since that, it's been reversed bullish. So we've still seen
Yeah.
big drops, but it's been trying to
I mean
push
that's
up, I
and that's
think. Wow, look at these.
I mean look at it. Yeah, that's what I'm
The
saying.
gap
Look
right
at
now
it.
is
And that's
huge.
just it's just one of those incredible things where it's like you said, you you want to play the 30-minute and 1 hour chart, and but at some point it's going to reverse. You know what I'm saying? And then you're
Yeah.
eventually going to have to go against the 30-minute and the 1 hour chart, because otherwise if you just always went with it, well, by the
Yep.
time you realize that it's reversed, it's like you've already missed the pump.
Yep.
So
All right, I got out there for like a $10 profit just because when the spread opens up as much as it does and it bounces like that, sometimes you see big drops, and that's what's
yeah.
going on right now. So it's like, okay, so this 30-minute candle opened at 50, no, it's the hour, 40.8. So watch how
Yeah,
it
it looks like.
acts below 40.
Well, I bet you're glad you got out when you did now.
Yeah, yeah, I'm glad.
Hey,
I
$10
usually
profits
don't
better
hold
than.
through a 30-minute change. I didn't
Yeah.
realize we were so close when I bought that at 8:28. Because this, you just never know what's going to happen. As soon as that 30-minute candle changes, it can shoot up or down really fast. So here we're already down 6, 7 points. So you might want to take out the previous 30-minute low down to 9:30. So it's like we were the last 10 minutes of
Look at
that,
that.
we were looking real bullish. Whoa. Now it's just,
Yeah, that was a big
who
push
knows?
down, and it just got sucked right back up. Look at that. Look at that bottom candle. Wick, whatever.
Yep.
Man, I almost was about to say like, oh, we're back on the down.
I'm only up $20 since we started talking. I'm at
Hey, hey,
386.
listen, man, you've already hit your.
Yeah.
Do not be afraid to just take a few micro scalps, man. Get 10 here, 10 there. That adds up, man. Remember,
Yep.
small wins, big profits. Imagine if you could just
Oh, look at that.
imagine if you could always take a $10 profit, man. You know,
Yep.
like yeah, it kind of sucked. It'd be a slow grind, but if you take 10 trades a day, like hey,
The
that's a hundred
question though
bucks.
is if you take a $10 profit, how much are you risking just for that $10?
That is true.
I don't want to risk $100 just to get 10.
And look, it got bought right back up.
Yep.
It crushed. It almost took out the
It looks bullish to me, just a
50.
short
Yeah, short term, yeah.
minute.
Long
These two
term, we're
minutes,
probably
it's
still
like
bull bearish, but
just the way it's popping back up.
as you like to say, every push down gets bought back up.
Hmm. It just depends on how many more big pushes we're going to get down because we've had a lot in the past hour.
But yeah, to me, this is a great day, man. I mean, I could still watch D Money a little later and catch a few little snipes with him, and
Yep.
you know, at this point, I only need 419.50. No, 418.50.
Awesome.
So I could realistically hit it today. If I wanted to go balls out and hit that 30 micros and try to snipe 10 points real quick.
I wouldn't do it. You're this close.
I
Just try
know,
to
I
get another
know.
$100 at a time.
Yeah, I mean, I'm cool with that. You know what I'm saying?
Yep.
I mean, honestly, if I was trading over 5 accounts right now and they were all live and they were all funded, I'd be done for the day. I'd be logging off and
Oh
and
yeah,
and putting on
five times
Netflix and
120,
yeah, that's five
$600.
hundred dollars. Yeah, it's actually it's yeah, 119. That's $600. I mean, I'd be done for the day. I'd be walking
Yep.
away. I'd
Yep.
be walking away with a big old smile on my face.
Which is why I'm glad just having two funded accounts right now. I'm making double what I ever did with
Yeah,
one. So I'm up 386 times two.
yeah,
What was
but you
that
had five
386?
funded accounts at one point, didn't you?
Not
Just
fully
be.
funded. Not fully funded.
Oh, okay.
Like they were
Just
funded, but
be.
I hadn't passed the buffer. This is the first
Yeah,
time
just
I've been trading with. Heck.
yeah.
Look out the
Just
window.
knocking
See
at your
something.
door. 8:30 in the morning.
All right.
Or
I
no, I
think
guess it's
I think we're looking
actually it's
bullish. I'm gonna buy one
5:30
right
in the
here if
morning
I can.
or
All right,
5:30
I'm
in
in
the
at
evening.
31.4.
Long?
Maybe not. It's just curling up.
It's
Hour is still
I
very
bet you
red, but
I really don't like this app sometimes because like one time I was watching for my food and it was like it just kept saying my food was X far away and then all of a sudden it's like your food has arrived. I'm like, wait, what? Just all of a sudden, Restro is late due to high volume of purchases. Driver is waiting. I mean, it's literally just right down in the mall. It's like five. You can walk 5 minutes from the Burger King to where I am.
okay, so I'm long at 31. As soon as it opened, it dropped down. It hasn't retested really the opening price of this candle, so that's what I'm hoping to do.
No, you made a good
I'm gonna
call.
get out
Looks
right
like
there.
that's
I'm
what
out.
five. I was gonna say that's 5 points.
I'm
Like
up to
that was a
440.
great call. And then look, boom,
Yep.
you,
Sometimes
bro,
it's
you
better to just get
get
out.
out.
Yeah. It's like if I see
Uh,
it popping up and it's not hitting my stop, but it's only, I mean, it's not hitting my sell, but it's only like a point away. And
well, I
it's,
wish I
you
went
can
long
tell
with
it's
you,
hitting
but I was
resistance. If you're
distracted by my
watching
food.
the candle, like the
Yeah,
15-second, it's hitting resistance, like go ahead and get out. That's close enough. Because you don't want that to happen. It just dropped all the way back to where I got in. Now would be a good time maybe to get back in again.
yeah.
I might get back. I'm going to get back in
Let's try
again.
it. Why not? I got in at 33.8. Why not?
I'm at 33.4. See if we can do it again. My
Yeah,
sell
if I can
order's
get
at
this, I'm done for the day.
37.4.
Yeah, 37.8. I'm gonna bring it down to 37 on the dot. I'd rather get out a little early than and have it hit 37.7. It's like, oh, I missed it by one tick. Of course, I could still miss it by one tick.
So the, this 30-minute opening price or opening candle, the open price is 40.8. So I would think that's going to be resistance. 40.8. So I got my sell orders at 37.4. And we're
I'm
almost
out.
there. Boom.
Boom.
I'm up to
That's
480.
168. I think I'm done. My food's about to be here. My girl's down playing pool with her family. I was down there, but I stepped away to come trade, but I did win 2 games. I got a pretty good guy to play against.
Cool. Cool.
Yeah, billiards.
Cool.
Yeah. Yeah, I'm gonna step away, man. My food's gonna be here in a minute.
All
I
right. Well, if
mean,
you're
dude,
done,
I'm
I'm
loving
gonna
it,
quit.
man.
I'm at 480 on
168.
the day.
Yeah,
One of them's only
I just need to.
478 for some reason. That's weird. But
Dude,
wait a minute. Let me see what I got.
yeah, I always notice that like they're always like just ever so slightly off. But yeah, man, like
958. Not That's
two
nine
more
hundred
days of this,
fifty-eight
and
dollars
I'm
I can
I'm
take and pay out tomorrow. So that's the 80%
nice,
split. $766 I can get paid
nice.
tomorrow.
Do it, man. Take the day, right? Take the rest
I
of the
just
day
took
off. Go watch some Netflix.
I just took 920 today. All right,
Nice.
I'm done. I'm done.
Yep.
I'm
I
super
need all
happy.
I need is 2 more days of this, and I'm funded, man.
Good deal.
Well,
Good deal.
I passed my eval. I'm not funded, but I still got
Yeah,
to build
yeah.
that
Well,
buffer.
that's
But
funded. You still got to get
yeah,
beyond the buffer, but
technically, yeah.
cool, man.
Alrighty
I'm
then, man.
excited.
Good day. Good
All right.
day.
Have a good night.
See you
Talk to you
tomorrow.
later. Bye.
Later.